Welcome to Healthista TV. My name's Neil Seligman. Today we're going to be working on a practice I like to call finding center. So it's a useful practice if you're having a hectic or busy day and you just want to feel more centered and grounded and dropped in. So as usual, we're going to start by dropping in on the breath and allowing the eyes to close if that feels comfortable. If not, just allow the gaze to be soft. And as we drop in on the breath, we notice the rhythm of the breath that's already there. No need to change the rhythm of the breath, but just to tune into the breath. Allowing the breath to drop into the body. Awareness drops in on the breath into the body. Allowing yourself to land in this moment. And in this practice, we just start by noticing the spine and noticing the alignment of the spine. So just get a sense of, how does the spine feel in the body? Does it feel tall, spacious, energized? Does it feel slumped? And just making little adjustments till the spine feels nice and dynamic. Vitality moving through the spine. Sense of the spine inviting us into center. I'm going to bring one hand and just allow it to rest on the belly. Just getting a sense of spaciousness that comes when we drop into our gut instincts. The wisdom of the body. The physicality of the body as a foundation of mindfulness, reminds us of the present moment. We can only experience the body in this moment now. And then with the other hand, if it feels comfortable, bring it to the heart. Remembering that sense of heart and compassion and love. Just remembering the resources that are here in this human body. Finding a sense of grounding through the body, steadying through the heart. Noticing the mind is also informed in a different way when we come up through the body, through the heart, and then bring our present moment awareness to mind. Allowing the mind to also become a little more centered, perhaps a little more clarity. And then if it's comfortable, just allowing the hands to return to your lap or the legs. And within the space of awareness, in whatever way it makes sense to you, turning to the centermost point of your awareness. Remembering the spine, remembering the gut, remembering the heart, remembering the mind. Dropping into this moment, grounding in the body, allowing ourselves to become present and alert and hold whatever is happening in this moment in heartful awareness. Taking a few more breaths here. And then in your own time, allowing the eyes to reopen.